Hi, my name's Charity. I've been a Lady Boss since March 2017. I lost 42 pounds and moved from size 14 pants to size 2 in my first 10 months. Before Lady Boss, I tried a lot of different ways to lose weight, from diet pills to boot camp to online advice to online programs. None of it really worked for me. I finally came across LadyBoss, and their app is what really helped me structure my lifestyle change. And that's how LadyBoss works. It's a lifestyle change. It's not a magic pill. It's not an overnight change. It's a way to change your lifestyle to give you the best results so that you can continue living a healthy lifestyle and continue holding on to your successful results. The recipes are amazing. My favorite recipe is the huevos rancheros. I love it. It's so good. I also love the protein waffles. They're so good, so filling, and just delicious. I could go on and on and on about the recipes. They're amazing, and there's so many to choose from. That is what ultimately really made me decide to become a Lady Boss for life, was the recipes, because they were so good and they made me feel good. They made me want to go to the gym. That's how I started back up into going to the gym. When I was getting into the gym, I didn't quite know what I needed to do. I felt a little lost, I felt a little embarrassed, and I wasn't sure how to do anything or what to do with the dumbbells. I really didn't know what to do. So I used the app. There was all these different exercises, what to do each day, what exercises to do for each muscle group. I would have been lost without it. I loved how if I didn't know how to do a certain exercise, I would scroll down and there would be a video for it. Kaelin shows how to effectively do each exercise and instructs you how to do it, where to stand, what angles to go at so you don't hurt yourself, and that you're doing it in a way that is beneficial to you and helps you get the results you want. There's also tons of videos for you to watch to help jumpstart your lifestyle, to help motivate you to formulate your new habits. It's structured in a way, the LadyBoss app, to help you change your life, change your lifestyle, and help you hold on to the results you want for life. Because being a Lady Boss is about what you do, how you act, and how you feel. And it's about encouraging others and encouraging yourself and getting back up when you fall down. And the app is a map to success. So if you feel like you want to change your life, the app is the way to go. The Lady Boss trainer will help you change everything about what you're doing, and it will show you how to make your life better and get the results you want. It takes time, it takes hard work, but it'll happen. And thanks to the LadyBoss app.